guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial out of the nature. I'm here in Bavaria, Germany, and today it's a rainy, cloudy day and it's not very comfortable. But I was thinking, okay, I like to take pictures out in the nature, but what can I do? And I was thinking, okay, let's go in the forest. There's the rain not so heavy because of the leaves on the trees. And then I was thinking, okay, let's find a small waterfall. And now I like to show you how you can make cool pictures also by a rainy day with waterfall, how you can make long exposure pictures, and yeah, let's do it. Let's go ahead with the material you need to make pictures of a smooth waterfall by day. First, you need a camera which supports the Mode M, the manual mode, to take long exposures by day. Additionally, you need of course an ND filter. Without ND filter you will have an overlighted, very bright image, and that's not cool looking. And if you use an ND filter you can have the correct exposure of your image, and that's cool looking. And by ND filters you can use two different options. First you can buy the plug-in filters, and second you can buy the round filters. And I prefer the plug-in filters because they are more handy, because if you use also additionally a gradiated filter, you can choose the height very easily of the gradiated area, and with a round filter you have the gradiated area always in the center of your image, and sometimes you have to change the height of the gradiated area, so I prefer the plug-in filters. And now let's go ahead to take pictures. Of course, there are a lot of ND filters in strongness. You can have a soft ND filter and a very strong ND filter, and today I used a soft ND filter because the light was very dark and not a bright, shiny, sunny day, and I used a 0.9 ND filter. This ND filter will reduce 3 f-stops, and if you have a sunny and bright day, or you like to have a longer exposure, you can also use, for example, an ND filter 1.8 with 6 stops. Or if you like to have a very long exposure, or you have a very bright day, you can also use an ND filter 3.0 with 10 stops, or you can combine the filters together. And the last item you need for this tutorial will be a tripod. Without it's very hard to get shake-free images, because we make a long exposure and therefore your camera have to be stand still for about several seconds. My camera settings are very simple. I choose the manual mode, focused manually, and of course I switched off the image stabilization because I did my pictures with the tripod. And my ISO was by 200, my exposure time was between 1 and 5 seconds, and my aperture was around 8. I hope you liked my tutorial directly out of the nature here in Bavaria, and we will see us in my next tutorial. Ciao!